Analyst says expect 63% Terra Classic price breakout, and what's next for Lunc? These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you are interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. Let's start with the Terra Classic burn tax increase proposal rejected. The Terra Classic community has decided to reject proposal 12105 to increase the burn tax to 1.5%. This proposal met disapproval from community members, who expressed frustration with repetitive attempts to alter the burn tax. The community's rejection was evident, with only 21.35% of voters supporting the proposal, while 32% voted no and 38% voted no with veto. The rejected proposal lacked logic and was criticized as a lazy effort by most voters. Notably, this was a text proposal and not a parameter change, meaning it would not have altered the tax even if accepted. Validators also opposed the proposal due to no supporting data, complementary strategies, and volume projections. Recently, the community decided to modify the distribution of the Lunc burn tax, redirecting it to the Oracle pool instead of rewards. This proposal received 70% yes votes, supported by 37 validators, and resulted in setting the Terra Classic burn tax at 0.5%. The allocation of this tax was designated as 80% for burning, 10% for the community pool, and 10% for the Oracle pool. According to data from CoinMarketCap, the price of Lunc currently stands at $0.3017, following a 4% decrease in the last 24 hours. The price fluctuated between $0.30 $117 and $0.30 $121, indicating a relatively stable trading range. Notably, a 70% decrease in trading volume was recorded over the last 24 hours. The Terra Classic community's rejection of the burn tax increase proposal demonstrates their prioritization of logical and well-supported proposals. The community's willingness to adapt and modify the burn tax distribution, as seen in the recent Oracle pool decision, showcases their proactive approach to governance. As the community continues to shape the future of Terra Lunc, it is essential to prioritize transparency, logic, and community consensus. Let's also talk about that the analyst says expect 63% Terra Classic price breakout. Top crypto analyst Javon Marks recently tweeted about Terra Classic, highlighting its recent price surge and potential for further significant gains. Marks' analysis suggests that Lunc could experience another substantial price increase, potentially reaching $0.30's $214, representing a 63% climb from its current level. The tweet, accompanied by a chart, emphasizes the breakout Lunc has experienced, suggesting this could be the beginning of a much larger upward trend. While the specific price target of $0.30's $214 is provided, Marks further emphasizes the potential for even greater growth beyond this point. This recent surge in Lunc's price follows a period of steady growth over the past few months. Lunc has consistently demonstrated resilience, defying initial skepticism surrounding its future after the May 2022 implosion of the Terra blockchain. The following are factors contributing to the current bullish sentiment surrounding Lunc. In first, its community support. The Terra Classic community remains active and engaged, continuously working on development and improvement initiatives for the ecosystem. This dedicated community fosters a sense of optimism and drives ongoing development efforts. In second, its burning mechanism. Lunc employs a burning mechanism, which aims at reducing the total supply of tokens in circulation. This mechanism, in theory, should contribute to increased scarcity and potentially drive up the price over time. In third, its exchange listings. One of the key factors driving Lunc's recent surge is its continued listing on major cryptocurrency exchanges. Platforms like Binance have significantly improved accessibility and liquidity for the token, attracting a wider range of investors. This trend gained momentum in May when rumors surfaced about Coinbase, the leading US-based exchange, potentially reinstating Lunc on its trading platform. This potential development could further increase Lunc's exposure and drive even greater adoption within the cryptocurrency market. While top crypto analyst Javon Marks' analysis suggests a potentially significant price increase for Lunc, it's crucial to remember that the cryptocurrency market remains highly volatile. Despite the inherent risks, The recent price surge and ongoing development efforts within the Terra Classic ecosystem paint a promising future for Lunc. The community's dedication and the token's unique characteristics make it an interesting proposition for investors with a high-risk tolerance. Let's also discuss the Terra Classic price forecast. Lunc has recently shown a significant surge in the cryptocurrency market. The Lunchy price is currently at 0.30's $117, reflecting a 4% decrease over the past day. It hovered above 0.30's $12 on Friday, indicating a strong upward trend and renewed investor confidence. Over the past week, Lunc price has been trading upward, with a 3% surge driven by increasing market optimism and renewed investor interest. Additionally, in the past month, this token experienced a steady rise of 20%, trading in a range of 0.30's $1 to 0.30's $12, reflecting a positive market sentiment. The Terra Classic tokens experienced a notable price surge following a tentative settlement between Terraform Labs, Kwon, and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. This development comes after a jury found Kwon and his company guilty of deceiving investors of nearly $40 billion. The agreement with the SEC has sparked significant interest in Terra ecosystem tokens. According to CoinGlass data, the future's open interest for Lunc and 1,000 Lunc have jumped by 15% in the last 24 hours. This spike includes a 20% increase in open interest on Binance, indicating substantial buying activity by derivatives traders. As bullish sentiment gains momentum, Terra Classic could surpass the 0.30's $13 mark, signaling a renewed upward trend. This positive market shift might push the Terra Classic price toward breaching the resistance at 0.30's $2, aiming for 0.30's $5 in the next bullish cycle. However, if market skepticism dominates, Lunc may retreat to the 0.30's $12 support level. A prolonged negative trend could see further declines to 0.30's $11, increasing the likelihood of selling pressure. The MACD indicator shows a positive trend as the MACD line crosses above the signal line, which typically signals a bullish momentum. The Awesome Oscillator is presently at 0.50's 850, suggesting a slight bullish momentum. The Chaikin money flow stands at 0.01, indicating a marginal capital inflow into the asset, which might hint at a potential bullish trend if sustained. Now let's talk more about that. The Terra LUNA Classic ends Lunc burn permanently. The Terra LUNA Classic community rejected proposal 12105, which aimed to increase the burn tax to 1.5%. The Terra LUNA Classic community did not support the proposal to increase the burn tax to 1.5%. The community members have expressed their discontent with the recurring suggestions for alterations to the burn tax, specifically a rise in its amount. The Terra LUNA Classic community has decided to reject idea 12105, increase burn tax. The majority of holders have criticized the idea for a lack of rationale and lazy effort. Given that this is a written proposal rather than a parameter modification, approval would not impact the tax. It is necessary to submit a fresh proposal that includes a convincing description and plenty of time for debate on Commonwealth. Approximately 21.35% of people voted yes to the plan. The Terra LUNA Classic community rejected the proposal to modify the burn tax, casting 32% no and 38% no with veto votes. Additionally, validators voted against the plan due to the absence of evidence to back up the proposed tax increase, the absence of complementary methods to back up the proposed tax increase, and the absence of volume predictions. Not so long ago, the community decided to switch the distribution of the Lunc burn tax from incentives to an oracle pool arrangement. 70% of the votes cast were in support of the plan, and 37 validators voted in favor of the proposal. Terra Classic sets the burn tax at 0.5%. Terra Classic allocates a total of 20% of this for burn, with 10% going to the community pool and another 10% to the oracle pool. With its strong fundamentals and the backing of a dedicated crypto community, Terra Classic has the potential to reach great heights in the future. If the Terra Classic project announces any collaborations with other networks, the maximum price level of the Lunc coin will soon surpass 0.30's $517 by 2024. If the current crypto market trend remains bullish, we anticipate that the average price of the Terra Classic coin will stay around 0.30's $468 by 2024. So how do you think? Why Terra Classic rejects Lunc burn proposal? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, Let us know in the comments your views on the Lunc token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.